Assalamu alaikum, my lovely kids and munchkins. Hello everyone, and as you know, I'm Ruzuni auntie, and I'm here with my brand new video and a brand new topic. And the topic which I have chosen today, I know and I'm sure you will love this because today we will do a story. But before starting the story, what is the rule number one? How do we sit and listen to the story? Yes, everybody cross your legs, open your eyes, open your ears with the key which is in your pocket, and open your mind. Now keep the key back into your pocket and listen to me. Your eyes and ears should be towards me. Now, this is our storybook. Okay, first I will explain you the cover page of the storybook, and first we will describe, and in the end I will tell you the name of the story. And this storybook I have got from Children Publication Series Read and Shine. So, which area is this of the house? Yes, where we eat our meal. We have our breakfast and we have our lunch. It's a dining room. Yes, and what you can see over here, a big yellow table along with the chairs. And you can see a boy and a girl is standing there, and behind them you can see a window. So let's see what is the name of the story. All of you try to read it with me, but first I will read and then you will read behind me. Now, a helping hand at meal times. What is the meaning of meal times? The time in which we eat our lunch, our breakfast, our dinner, or we are having snacks with the tea. And helping means to care, to share with your family, with your friends, and if they are in need, right? And helping hands, because you will help them with your hands, right? Now again, all of you try to read the name of the story with me. A helping hand at meal times. Now see how am I holding my book? Now I am going to open my book. So this is the first page of the storybook. You can see the brother and sister are sitting on the chairs in dining room, and the name of the story was A Helping Hand at Meal Times. A helping hand at meal times. Now next page, and over here try to read the sentence with me. My family likes to eat their meals together. Over here the boy is telling us about that our family love to eat the meal together, like you eat your meal with your mommy, daddy, and you love this to eat your meals with your mommy and daddy. So I also like to eat my meal with my daughters, my son, and my husband too, right? Now they also likes to sit together and eat their meals. Now one more time repeat it with me. My family likes, yes, to eat their meals together. Now on the other page he is introducing himself. The boy is introducing himself and he is still standing in the dining room. He is saying, I am David. Who is he? He is saying, I am David. Who is he? Tell me the name. Yes, he is David, and he is telling us, I am David. Now on next page, what is he doing? He is introducing his sister, and they both are sitting. Where are they sitting? Yes, they are sitting in the dining room. They are sitting on the chairs, right? Now he is telling this is my sister. Who is she? This is my sister, and the name of the sister is Ellen. Now try to read the whole sentence with me. This is my sister, Ellen. What is the name of the girl? Ellen. What was the name of the boy? David. So David and Ellen is here, and they are showing us their dining room. Now over here it is time for our meal. This is their meal time. Over here they are sitting in the lounge. They are waiting for their mummies. They are waiting for their mummy to call them for dining room. So they are sitting nicely in the lounge area, right? Now Ellen and I set the table. Now their mummy called them. Now they went in the dining room and they started setting the table. See, they put glasses over there, they put up the forks, and now they are setting the plates as well. And what was the name of the girl? Ellen. What was the name of the boy? David. Good. Now what happened next? Today over here they are telling this they have invited one friend today. Now read the sentence with me. Today our friend will eat with us. Today our friend will eat with us. So today one more friend is coming in the house, and he will also share the meal with them. With whom? Ellen and David. Ellen and David. Now on the next page over here, first what should we do before eating our meal? Yes, we have to wash our hands. Wash our hands. Wash our hands properly, and then we have to come to the dining room. So over here, David is telling, we wash our hands. What they do? We wash our hands before we eat. Before they eat, before eating, they wash their hands. Now, on the next page, they all are settled on the table. Their one friend, brother and sister, mommy and daddy, and they all are waiting for their turn. We wait for everyone to get their plates. Now they all wait for everyone, then all get the plates. They were waiting for their turn, and they were putting the food in the plate, and they all are eating together. And what they did before eating? They washed their hands. And after that, what happened? Mummy is here to ask the children, can I serve you some more? Mummy is saying that, do you need some more food? So if anybody wants to eat, they raise their hand. See, Ellen raised the hand. She's not saying something from her mouth. Now Mummy went there and she served her food. This is the rule, to sit on the mat or on the table for your meal, right? Try to do not shout and do not tease your mummy. Instead of that, you raise your hand and politely say, Mummy, please, I need some more. That is a good gesture. Now, over here what happened? When we finished eating, now David and Ellen telling, when we finished eating, we ask our parents if we can leave the table. Now over here they are saying that when we finished our meal, we take permission from our mummy and daddy, can we leave the table? So they leave the table, they stand up, and what they do? Then we help to clear away the plates and push in the chairs. What they did? They push all the table. They picked up all the plates, all the glasses, and give it to mummy in the kitchen. And now over here, we thank our mother for making the meal, and they thank their mother over here making a yummy delicious meal. Do you thank to your mummy? Every time we should thank to our mummy that she cooked such a yummy and nice meal for all of us. And now they are happy, and then they all went outside from their house, and over here is the garden area, and they are enjoying with their friend. And what was the name of the girl? The name of the girl was Ellen, and the name of the boy was David. And the last sentence I want all of you to read with me. Then we go out to play. Now they all came out and they all are playing. I hope you enjoyed this story and you learned some lesson from this story, that how should we behave on the table, and how should we behave if you have your lunch or meal on the mat on the floor. And it's not an issue that if you are having your meal or lunch on the table, the rules should be seen, that we should have to wash our hand first, we should have to wait our turn, we should have to talk to mummy in a very polite voice if we want more food, and when we finished our food, we should have to help our mummy to push in the chairs, pick up the dirty plates and glasses and give it back to the mummy in the kitchen. And one more thing, we always should be thankful to our mummy for making such a nice and yummy delicious meal for all of us. So this was the story for today. I hope you like this story, and you all will be watching my video, and in the next time and in the next story I will ask you the question about this story, and I hope that you will see my video and you will listen this story again and again. So until that, for a new video, Allah Hafiz.